This laptop table from IKEA. Screen, ball, castle. Looks like this in color light brown or beige. This is the assembly instruction for this laptop table from IKEA. Let's start again. You put the screw inside this part, the leg part. So next step, other side. That's almost done. So let's next assemble or next section or instruction. Already finished with this part on the bottom. This laptop head or part of the laptop table. Let's go to the next step for next instruction. To assemble this laptop table. Instruction number 2 and number 3. Laptop table looks like this on the number 1 instruction. Let's go to the next part of instruction number 2 and number 3. Already finished assemble this laptop table from IKEA. It looks like this. Finally done. What a nice laptop table, and it's also foldable. Foldable, you can put some of your drinks on the side. So this is a nice table for work at home people or students. You can buy this IKEA laptop table from online IKEA website, Philippine website, or you can go to IKEA store at Pasay near MOA. Happy shopping!